My name's Jeremy Lindquist. I'm the Director of Operations at Tiny Heirloom. We make high-end, custom tiny homes. Every house that we do is different, and it's really just focusing on the customer and what they need. Tiny homes can be super heavy. I mean, we're talking anywhere from, on the low end, 12,000 pounds all the way up to 22,000 pounds. We put the Airlift Wireless One system on the company truck because it's constantly towing these big heavy loads and moving these tiny houses around from place to place, and it just needed it. It's been great having it.
The Airlift Wireless One with LoadLifter 7500 XL air springs combines everything you need to level your truck in one easy-to-use system. At the core of the Airlift system are the LoadLifter 7500 XL air springs. Designed for 3/4 and 1-ton trucks, the XL gives you up to 7,500 pounds of load leveling capacity.
When you're hauling that much weight, you really do need an airlift system in your vehicle. You really feel it, and it can actually be kind of dangerous if you don't have the right equipment.
The advanced air manifold and standard duty onboard air compressor give you the convenience you want to effortlessly inflate and deflate the air springs to fit your needs.
It's just amazing to be able to jump out of the truck and have my remote in my hand and be able to increase or decrease the pressure and the ride height to just what I want.
The Wireless One controller or free mobile app give you one-touch inflation and deflation of your air springs.
I think everybody that has a tiny home should have an airlift.
We're so convinced you'll be happy with the improved ride and load handling that if you're not completely satisfied, you can return the system within the first 60 days for a full refund.
It's like you're getting a bigger truck when you get airlift. I'm an airlifter for life.
If you don't know airlift, you know squat.